This channel has generated over 10,000 subscribers, and that with simple AI-generated Rust clean videos. The channel gets millions of views per video. That's crazy. Look at the videos. They are super easy to create. The great thing about the niche is that it is still extremely new and already generates millions of clicks daily. Let me show you how you can create such videos too. First, you go to ChatGPT. Now paste this long prompt here. Important, do not change anything about the prompt and do not add any additional words. Just copy and paste it into ChatGPT. You can find the prompt in my newsletter link in the description. I will then send it to you for free. Click on Generate. ChatGPT will now suggest 10 different options for which topic you want to have the prompts created. I am taking number 4 here, metal padlock. Now write the number or the name into the text field and press Generate. As you can see, ChatGPT now first creates the image prompt and then the video prompt. We need these prompts to create the video. First copy the image prompt and go to Flow AI. It is completely free. Now create an image and enable the model Nano Banana. The portrait should have the format 9:16 and let 2 images per prompt be created. Now paste the prompt into the text field, click on Generate. Flow AI will now create 2 images for you. Select the image which is the dirtiest. Download it. Now we will generate the video. Select the section Frames to Video. Also, select the portrait format 9:16 here again. I am using the model Veo 3.1. Here it is free and creates the videos in good quality. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Now paste the prompt into the text field at Flow AI. Now also upload the reference image that we just created with Flow AI. Press Generate. Perfect. Now Flow AI has created the video. As you can see, the result is really good and looks identical to the other viral videos. Download the video and now you can publish it on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok or Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my free newsletter so you receive the prompt from the video. Link in the description. Subscribe to my channel now for more AI video tutorials and give the video a like. Watch my other AI video tutorial. Here now we will see each other there.